This is the hopper. Marbles are poured into the hopper, and then they pretty much go in this shaft here, single file. A gear back here that turns 10 degrees every time, which will send one marble out down to our switch right here. Underneath our switch we have a light sensor. Steel will go right down into their bin. It tips this back up and sends the glass marbles back into this bin. If it's the wood, it tells the bin to travel up and puts the wood in that bin right there. So, and every time a marble comes out, the sensor reads it, which tells the lever arm to either go up or down or stay. Okay.
We have a long hopper system in which we will have all of our different types of marbles in there. This gear will rotate to deliver one, and it will rotate until this line tracker sensor senses a marble there. At that point, it stops the rotation. This gate here will have been closed at the time to hold the marble in place. Once the line tracker can see what is going to happen, what type it is, it will initiate this gear, set up this motor to move the proper bins. These are controlled by a sonar set up back here, which will read this as it slides back and forth, and it'll move it to the proper hopper.
Servomotor here, operating the area for the 3 different bins, for the 3 different color marbles. We got wood in the front, we have steel bin in the middle, and clear in back. Over here we have a motor operating a gear system, very similar to a pitching machine. The different marbles are lined up, random order, and it's designed to spit a marble out one at a time. It's stopped here with this motor that operates a little gate that will just fluctuate up and down, giving it time for the line tracker sensor to take a reading. The servo motor operating or moving the tray, the 3 bins or trays, however the lines tracker, accordingly.
So what we have on ours is on our marble slash trash sorter is again with a simple hopper, powered by a motor here with our little wheel on here to let one ball through at a time. We have it set up on a weight timer that we've programmed it. What we do is as it comes down a ramp, it'll automatically, by the weight and the velocity of the steel balls, will allow the steel balls to be cast out of the side, so we're left with the lighter ones flowing down the other side of the lever arm here, going to a kind of just a guiding hopper bin down to the bottom, where we're having a light sensor read there off our flashlight and our light sensor, and by what our values are read off the sensor, that's allowing it to go into another basket and turning on another motor, turning a shaft on there with a basket attached, is allowing it to rotate, either dropping down to what you'd say a negative degree on rotation, or coming up to almost a 270 degree from its vertical place. And that's one of our, do you want me to talk with it, or? That's one of our aluminum ones going. Here we have a steel one, not by the weight, cast off to this. Side. Now we'll have a glass one coming down here, happens to be. You can see the lighter ones are floating down for sorting through the light sensor. Here we got a steel one coming down.